Imagine a hole so enormous it could swallow 62 Earth's whole, and it's not a distant planet or in a scientific movie. It's on our sun right now. On January 31st, 2025, NASA's Solar Dynamic Observatory captured a stunning image, a colossal coronal hole stretching over 500,000 miles wide across the sun's surface. That's nearly the distance from Earth to the moon, twice over. Now the question is, what is a coronal hole? It's a region where sun's magnetic field temporarily opens up, allowing high-speed solar wind to escape. Think of it as a pressure valve releasing plasma directly into space up to 800 kilometers per second, and that plasma, the solar wind, is now hurtling toward Earth. Scientists predicted it would hit the planet's magnetosphere between April 15 and April 17, triggering what we call a geomagnetic storm. When the solar wind collides with our magnetosphere, it compresses it, energizes particles, and causes massive current in Earth's upper atmosphere. This can spark breathtaking light shows in the sky, auroras that may appear much farther south than usual. In the coming days, you might be able to see the northern lights in the places like New York, Pennsylvania, and even northern parts of Germany, far from their usual Arctic home. But it's not just about lights. When the storms like these get strong enough, they can destroy our technology, power grids, satellite system, GPS navigation, aviation communication, even pipelines underground can be affected. In 1972, a solar storm disrupted US Navy mines, triggering premature detonation. And in 1859, the infamous Carrington event caused telegraph system to fail across the globe. Some even caught fire from the intense currents. NASA and NOAA are currently tracking this event closely. A G3 strong geomagnetic storm watch had been issued for April 16 due to the arrival of multiple coronal mass ejections emitted along with the solar wind. These CMEs carry intense magnetic fields and could amplify the effects of the solar storm. A G3 storm is no joke. It can impact spacecraft operations, increase radiation risk for astronauts, and even affect animals that navigate using Earth's magnetic field, like whales and migratory birds. This isn't just a weather event, it's a cosmic reminder of how deeply connected we are to the sun. Every flare, every stream of charged particles ripples through the fabric of our planet's system. And with the sun nearing the peak of solar cycle 25, we can expect more of these dramatic solar events in the months and years ahead. Solar cycle 25 is gaining strength. Solar activity is ramping up, and that means more solar flares, more coronal holes, and more chances of disruption and discovery. As we explore the mysteries of our star, we are learning not just about the sun, but how the space weather shapes life on Earth. So next time you see the auroras or your GPS lags for a second, just remember it might be the sun saying hello. Thanks for watching, and if you're fascinated by the cosmos and want to stay ahead of the next solar storm, hit that like, smash subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss any space update. Stay curious and stay safe under the sun, and I'll meet you in the next video.